Hi, in today's menu we have very famous Mexican dish which is tacos, but we are gonna make it with a little bit of twist, okay? So first thing first, add 3 tablespoon oil into a pan and heat it up. Add the boiled shredded chicken and fry for a minute. It will give a very appealing crispy layer to it. Slice up a medium-sized yellow bell pepper. I have the small one, but use the medium one. Also a medium-sized green bell pepper and some green onion and cut little red peppers. I have 5, but if you have not the cute little ones but the ugly large one, then use only one. Okay, 1 cup shredded cabbage aka cabbage, and fry all of these beautiful veggies for 5 to 5 minutes. I mean the 5 minutes on high flame. We don't want to eliminate the crunch factor of veggies, but we just want to cook them until they given up their rawness. Add the sushi sauce aka soya sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce with half teaspoon base flavor aka salt and half teaspoon black pepper to get things spicy, and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame until the veggies and chicken get to know the spices. Filling is done, let it cool down. Onto the taco part, I have 10 bread slices. Roll it out thin and very thin. Grab any abundant lid from kitchen about this size and cut it into circular shape. You can use any other cutter like cookie cutter, grass cutter, wood cutter. I mean, it's your dish. Do whatever you want. Onto the saucy part, I have 1/4 cup mayonnaise and 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce. If you have chili sauce, not the garlic in it, then you can add half teaspoon garlic chopped. Okay, give it a good mix to make it homogeneous, and grab a brush, a paintbrush, a toothbrush, or any other brush, and paint the bread disc with sauce. Add 1 tablespoon chicken veggie filling. Don't overdo with the filling, otherwise it's gonna be everywhere, and just pinch the opposite edges together to give it a little bit of taco shape, and place in a square baking dish or in which you bake your brownies. Okay, give a last memorable generous kiss of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use any other cheese like cheddar cheese, and I only know 2 types of cheeses, cheddar and mozzarella. So if you have any other fancy ones, then use it. Put a stand into a big pan or pot and place the tray on it. Cover the pan for about 5 minutes on medium flame or until cheese melt and the bread has a crispy layer to it. How do I describe these tacos? A very meaty, savory, crunchy filling wrapped in a beautifully painted, crispy, soft bread and hugged by oozing cheese. I mean, this is just perfection. So, thank you. Bye.